Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to grow lots of coriander in 2 months. Welcome back to my channel Garden Knocks. I'm George, and like I said, I'm going to show you how I grew lots of coriander in under 2 months. So to begin with, I'm going to use these pots to grow my coriander in. They were self-watering pots, but I don't like that they don't drain, so I drilled some holes in the bottom just to make sure that the water doesn't sit in the bottom and it can drain out properly. I'm going to fill up the pots with some premium potting mix, and I'm going to fill them about 1 inch from the top. I'm going to spread this packet of 100 coriander seeds evenly between the 2 pots. And then I'm going to fill up the rest of the pot, that last inch or so, with the same premium potting mix. Press firmly on the top just to make sure that it's full, and then give your coriander seeds their first really good water. Make sure you soak the soil, and then once done, place the pot somewhere where they're going to get direct light, maybe 6 to 8 hours a day, because coriander does need sun. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more of my future videos. So now after 2 months, we are now able to harvest all of this coriander. I personally will use it in a coriander chili paste, which is pretty good on a whole range of things. I'm going to post up a link to that video once I make it. When you harvest the coriander, cut off the coriander at the base of the plant with just a sharp pair of scissors, and once this is all tidied up, carry on watering the coriander that's in the pot, and it will continue to grow, and you'll have several harvests in the growing season of the coriander plant. Well, thanks for watching this whole video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this and you want to see my future videos. All the best growing your own coriander, and I'll see you next time.